have some children. Oh, what our love could do. Maybe we'll live in Vegas or a house with picket fencing. Oh, what our love could do. Maybe we'll find some best friends or a dog named
I now
Fred
pronounce you
Lassie.
husband and wife.